Hey guys, welcome to my planner of the week. And I think I'm starting to get the hang of how to decorate this horizontal planner with vertical stickers. I just took the stickers and just went all the way down the planner. So you guys let me know what you think, but I think I am figuring it out. Even on this side, I just took the stickers and I just basically just went straight down the planner. I was going to cut them in half, which I probably am going to do for some of the stickers, but it's very hard to do when they make the wording go over each other like that. But I think overall I did a good job this week with decorating my planner. I have to go fill in some other stuff that I want to do, but I think I made it look full without making it look like sloppy and junky and just not good. Because sometimes when you put too much stuff and get it too full, to me it just doesn't look good. So I think that I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish. I do want to get into using some of my washi tape. I just got to figure out how to do it without clustering the planner, which I'm going to figure that out next. But this is my planner for the week. Let me know what you guys think. And I think I'm getting a hang of it. I don't want to spend any more money on planner like inserts and stuff like that. So I definitely have to make this work. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful